Today, I'm not giving you another unrealistic challenge. No 30-day transformation plan, no 90-day roadmap, and no temporary motivation that makes you feel powerful for a few minutes, but changes nothing in your real life. Today, I'm giving you something different. A 24-hour reset system. A single day designed to clear your mind, rebuild your focus, and reconnect you with the person you're trying to become. But there's one requirement. You have to be completely honest with yourself. Because the reason most people stay stuck is not because they are incapable. It's because they keep avoiding the truth. They avoid their bad habits. They avoid their financial mistakes. They avoid the difficult choices they know they need to make. And every day, they repeat the same patterns. Same distractions. Same excuses. Same results. But today, you break that pattern. Step 1. Create your distraction-free day. Choose one day, just 24 hours, a day where you remove the things that constantly steal your attention. Put your phone away. Stop endless scrolling. Stop consuming random content. Stop comparing your life with people online. For one full day, give your attention back to yourself. And here's what will happen. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will crave entertainment. You'll feel the urge to check your notifications. You'll tell yourself, just 1 minute, just one video, just one quick check. But that moment is where your discipline is created, because when the noise disappears, you finally start hearing the things you've been ignoring, the goals you abandoned, the dreams you delayed, the fears you avoided, the decisions you postponed. Step 2. The self-honesty mirror test. Find a quiet place. Stand in front of a mirror. No music, no distractions, just you. Look directly at yourself and ask, am I becoming the person I want to be? Don't answer quickly. Think about it. Because deep inside, you already know the areas where you're not giving your best. Maybe it's your money habits. Maybe it's your discipline. Maybe it's the time you waste every single day. Real growth begins when you stop creating excuses and start accepting reality. You cannot change a life you refuse to acknowledge. Step 3. Write down what you keep avoiding. Take a notebook. Write down one thing you have been avoiding for too long. The thing you always say, I'll start tomorrow. Maybe it's learning a valuable skill, creating a new income source, saving money, improving your health, building better habits, making a difficult decision. Complete this sentence. The one thing I need to stop avoiding is, because the moment you put something on paper, you stop running from it. You become aware of it. And awareness is where transformation begins. Step 4. The 60-minute mind reset session. Now take 1 hour, a full 60 minutes, dedicated only to yourself. This hour can completely change your mental state. First 20 minutes, move your body. Walk. Stretch, exercise, do anything that activates your body. You don't need a perfect workout. You need movement, because a disciplined body creates a disciplined mind. Next 20 minutes, empty your mind. Take your notebook again. Write everything that is occupying your thoughts, your worries, your fears, your goals, your confusion, your unfinished tasks, your financial stress, everything. Your brain is not meant to carry unlimited mental pressure. Sometimes you don't need more motivation. Sometimes you need clarity. Last 20 minutes, sit in silence. Now do nothing. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just sit. At first, silence may feel uncomfortable, but then something powerful happens. You start understanding yourself. You realize that many problems are not because life is impossible. They exist because you've been disconnected from yourself. And clarity comes when the mind becomes quiet. Step 5. The final promise. Before you sleep, stand in front of the mirror one last time. Look at yourself and say, today, I didn't escape. Maybe you didn't fix everything. Maybe you didn't become a completely different person. But you showed yourself something important, that you can take control, that you can keep promises to yourself, that you are capable, of change. Because success is not built from one huge decision. It is built from small moments where you choose discipline over comfort. Remember this, one day will not magically transform your entire life, but one honest day can change your direction forever. Because when your mindset changes, your actions change. When your actions change, your results change. And when your results change, your future changes. So don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for next month. Start your reset today. Choose one day. Choose yourself. If you found value in this video, subscribe to Build Money Mind for more content about money mindset, discipline, success, psychology, and building a better future. Share this video with someone who needs a mental reset. Remember, your future is built by the choices you make today. See you in the next video.